Introduction. Welcome to our journey through time as we explore the most amazing ancient ruins of the world. In this video, we will take you on an unforgettable adventure to some of the most iconic historical sites that have stood the test of time. From the majestic pyramids of Egypt to the mysterious stone structures of Machu Picchu, these ruins are not just remnants of the past, they're windows into the cultures and civilizations that once thrived. As we delve into each location, we'll uncover the fascinating stories behind these architectural marvels, revealing the ingenuity and artistry of the people who built them. You'll learn about the significance of these sites, not only in their respective cultures but also in the broader context of human history. Each ruin has its own tale to tell, filled with triumphs, struggles, and the relentless passage of time. Get ready to ignite your curiosity as we highlight the rich histories and cultural legacies that these ancient ruins represent. Whether you're a history buff, a travel enthusiast, or simply someone who loves a good story, this video promises to engage and inform. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be transported to a world where the echoes of the past resonate through the stones, inviting you to discover the wonders of our shared heritage. Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Machu Picchu stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the Incan civilization. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, often referred to as the Lost City of the Incas, is renowned for its historical significance and architectural marvels. Built in the 15th century, Machu Picchu showcases advanced engineering techniques, with its terraced fields, intricate stonework, and sophisticated water management systems. Each structure, from the Temple of the Sun to the Intihuatana stone, reflects the deep spiritual connection the Incas had with their environment. Surrounding this breathtaking site are stunning landscapes that enhance its allure. Towering peaks, lush valleys, and the winding Urubamba River create a dramatic backdrop that captivates visitors. The mist that often envelops the ruins adds an air of mystery, making it feel like a scene straight out of a storybook. For those planning to visit, there are a few tips to enhance your experience. Arrive early to witness the sunrise illuminating the ruins, and consider hiking the Inca Trail for a more immersive journey. Engage with local guides to learn about Incan culture, traditions, and the significance of the site. Don't forget to try traditional Peruvian cuisine in nearby Aguas Calientes, which offers a taste of the rich culture that thrives in this region. Machu Picchu is not just a destination, it's an experience that connects you to the past in a truly unforgettable way. The Great Wall of China. A monumental feat. The Great Wall of China is one of the most iconic structures in the world, representing a monumental feat of engineering and human determination. Spanning over 13,000 miles, this ancient wall was built primarily to protect Chinese states from invasions and raids by nomadic tribes. Its construction began as early as the 7th century BC, with various dynasties, including the Qin, Han, and Ming, contributing to its expansion and fortification. Each dynasty brought its own architectural style and purpose, resulting in a diverse array of features along the wall. As we delve into the history of the Great Wall, we'll explore different sections, each showcasing unique characteristics. The Ming dynasty's section, for instance, is renowned for its impressive watchtowers and robust stone construction, while earlier sections built by the Qin dynasty were primarily made of tamped earth. These variations not only highlight the evolution of construction techniques but also reflect the changing military strategies of the time. As you watch this video, we encourage you to appreciate the sheer scale and historical importance of the Great Wall. It's not just a physical barrier, it symbolizes the strength and resilience of the Chinese people throughout centuries of turmoil and change. Whether you're planning a visit or simply curious about its legacy, the Great Wall of China invites you to connect with a rich tapestry of history that continues to inspire awe and admiration today. Petra, the Rose City of Jordan. Nestled in the heart of Jordan, Petra, often referred to as the Rose City due to its stunning rose-red cliffs, is a marvel of ancient engineering and artistry. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once a thriving trading hub, strategically located along the caravan routes that connected the east and west. In ancient times, Petra served as a vital center for commerce, facilitating the exchange of goods such as spices, silk, and precious metals. Its significance in the trade networks of the Nabatean civilization cannot be overstated, as it flourished from the 4th century BC to the 2nd century AD. As we explore Petra, we'll highlight its key structures, including the iconic treasury, known as Al-Khazna, which greets visitors with its intricate facade carved directly into the rock. This stunning monument is just one of many architectural wonders in Petra, including the monastery, or Ad-Dir, which stands majestically at the end of a steep climb and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Preserving Petra's rich history is a priority for archaeologists and conservationists. Ongoing efforts aim to protect the site from natural erosion and the impact of tourism, ensuring that future generations can experience its beauty and significance. As you uncover the secrets of Petra, you'll not only witness its architectural splendor but also gain insight into the vibrant culture that once thrived in this remarkable city, making it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and adventurers alike. The Colosseum. Rome's iconic arena. The Colosseum, an architectural marvel and a symbol of ancient Rome, stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Completed in AD 80, this colossal amphitheater was designed to host a variety of entertainment events, including gladiatorial games, animal hunts, and public spectacles. With a seating capacity of up to 80,000 spectators, the Colosseum was the epicenter of Roman entertainment, showcasing the empire's power and engineering prowess. As we delve into the history of the Colosseum, we'll uncover fascinating facts about the gladiatorial games that captivated audiences. These fierce battles were not just about combat. They were steeped in ritual and social significance, often reflecting the values and beliefs of Roman society. Gladiators, many of whom were slaves or prisoners of war, fought for their lives and glory, while the crowd's cheers could determine their fate. The arena also hosted mock naval battles, wild animal hunts, and even theatrical performances, making it a versatile venue for entertainment. We encourage you to explore the ruins of the Colosseum and immerse yourself in its historical context. Walking through its ancient corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, transporting you back to a time when the roar of the crowd filled the air. Understanding the Colosseum's role in Roman culture not only enriches your visit but also deepens your appreciation for the incredible legacy of this iconic arena, which continues to inspire awe today. Chichen Itza. The Mayan marvel. Chichen Itza, one of the most renowned archaeological sites of the ancient Mayan civilization, offers a fascinating glimpse into the rich cultural and astronomical knowledge of the Mayans. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was a major urban center from the 7th to the 10th centuries, playing a crucial role in trade, politics, and religion. The site is particularly significant for its alignment with celestial events, showcasing the Mayans' advanced understanding of astronomy. The equinoxes, for instance, create a shadow on the Temple of Kukulkan that resembles a serpent descending the pyramid, a testament to their intricate connection between the cosmos and their beliefs. At the heart of Chichen Itza lies the impressive Temple of Kukulkan, also known as El Castillo. This step pyramid stands at 98 feet tall and features 365 steps, one for each day of the year, symbolizing the Mayan calendar. The architectural precision and artistry displayed in its construction reflect the advanced engineering skills of the Mayans, making it a marvel of ancient architecture. Preserving sites like Chichen Itza is vital for understanding our shared human history. These historical treasures provide invaluable insights into the cultural practices, beliefs, and innovations of past civilizations. As we explore Chichen Itza, we not only appreciate its beauty and complexity but also recognize the importance of safeguarding such sites for future generations. By doing so, we ensure that the stories of the Mayans and their remarkable achievements continue to inspire and educate. Stonehenge. The mysterious megaliths. Stonehenge, the iconic stone circle located in the English countryside, has captivated the imagination of historians, archaeologists, and visitors alike for centuries. This prehistoric monument, believed to have been constructed between 3000 and 2000 BC, is shrouded in mystery, with various theories surrounding its purpose and construction. Some suggest it served as a ceremonial site, while others propose it was an astronomical observatory, aligned with the movements of the sun and moon. The precision with which the stones were arranged indicates a sophisticated understanding of geometry and astronomy among the ancient builders. The significance of Stonehenge in prehistoric culture cannot be overstated. It is thought to have played a central role in rituals and gatherings, marking important seasonal events such as solstices and equinoxes. The alignment of the stones with the rising and setting sun during these times suggests that the site held deep spiritual and cultural meaning for the communities that constructed it. As you ponder the mysteries of Stonehenge, we encourage you to visit this remarkable site and experience its grandeur firsthand. Standing among the towering stones, you can feel the weight of history and the echoes of ancient rituals. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply curious about the past, Stonehenge invites you to explore its enigmatic origins and consider the lives of those who once gathered here. This journey into the past is not just about understanding a monument, it's about connecting with the enduring human quest for meaning and knowledge. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of some of the most amazing ancient ruins in the world, let's take a moment to summarize the key takeaways from each site. We began our journey at Machu Picchu, where the ingenuity of the Incan civilization is showcased through its breathtaking architecture and rich cultural history. Next, we marveled at the Great Wall of China, a monumental feat that reflects the strength and resilience of the Chinese people throughout history. We then ventured to Petra, the Rose City, where the intricate carvings and vibrant past of the Nabataeans come to life. The Colosseum in Rome reminded us of the grandeur of ancient entertainment and the architectural brilliance of the Roman Empire. Finally, we pondered the mysteries of Stonehenge, a site that continues to intrigue with its enigmatic origins and astronomical significance. These ancient wonders not only tell the stories of their respective cultures but also invite us to connect with our shared human heritage. We encourage you to explore these remarkable sites in person or delve deeper through further research to truly appreciate their historical significance. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more captivating travel content and inspires others to discover the wonders of our world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more incredible destinations together.